working on trying to find out what's clogging everything up. The other one cleared up, and I thought I would kind of show maybe this. By the way, if you ever need to use these empty valve covers that don't fit, they make great little trays to drain your gas and stuff in. Anyway, this is your jet stacks here. These are idles. These are your mains. Okay. And I pulled this out. If I can get it out of here. I'm holding with one hand. There we go. Look at that. Look at that dark crap all over it. Trying to do this with one hand. The idles aren't anywhere near as bad, but there is some stuff on there. Yeah. Get that. And then you can see it's like, I don't know what that is. It's like some kind of black stuff, but it don't really feel. I can't hardly feel it. Okay. One-handed carburetor technique. I was going to show this. This is probably... I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay. I don't know if that concentrate did that to it or itself, or if there was just something in there and it, like, you know, was acting like a solvent and washed something off that was in the system somehow. But okay. Hold the thing. Pull this up. Try not to damage. Underside don't look too bad. Fuel inlet. There's some gunk down in there, and again, it's some dark stuff. The other one did, but the master plug, big bolt looking thing, the factory put some kind of goo, you know, gunk on, you know, thread sealer or something on there. And when you take it off, it falls down in there. That could be what that is. So, all right. The other one, I'm going to go over this. Here's your accelerator pump, your accelerator squirt nozzles, of course, float bowl. Under the float bowl down in there, you can't see. There's a little thing. It's a little bypass pressure jet. You know, a lot of times you get ones that are you can get these ones that are like a block off. They are going to shoot full maximum fuel, and they're going to work. Now, hang on. I've got to try and pull a quick one here. There is a drain plug on the side there. I forgot to tighten up. So let me do that because I wanted to show if this one will do it. I got the other one working by simply kind of doing this little thing. And I have lost. There it is. One-handed filming. Great. Okay, some clean fuel. Get another grip here. Are you going to work? There you go. What the heck? Oop, that's plenty. That is more than enough. That thing should only come up about maybe 5 or 7 millimeter above. Okay, so What's going on here? Open that up. There it goes. Boy, was that stuck. Let me do that. Okay, guess what? They just suddenly started squirting. Now, I didn't really do anything except take the top off and do that, and they would not put out any fuel. I took the top off, did that. The other one, I had taken the jets out, and I just tried to blow through them with my mouth. And I thought, well, if there was anything in there, it wasn't much because I could feel the air coming through. But when I hit the accelerator pump, it shot fuel out of these. Just up, and I thought, okay, well, maybe that, and it hit the bypass over here. It shot fuel out of the bypass. So I thought, well, there's a clog in between, but evidently it got enough fuel up through the passage here. That fuel must have washed out whatever gunk, and I can only hope, and that you just seen that thing was stuck. And I will say these things seem to be a little weak, but maybe they'll straighten up a bit. So I'm going to blow this thing out and we'll report back. Thanks for watching. Will it start after sitting one whole day?